As you may know, I run a print farm of about 30 some printers to get all of our orders printed and sent as quick as possible, making sure that we've got printers running all the time. And yes, this printer room is also our laundry room. One thing that I think is pretty funny though is I'm still doing like old school, seemingly relatively old school stuff, like this first layer calibration on this machine that I had to kind of rebuild because it had an issue. And it's just interesting because that sort of thing just isn't an issue on some of these newer printers. Obviously, like the bamboo machines. But I have other Prusa machines that have a lot of the same technology, but also some other issues. So really, it's kind of like just pick your poison and deal with different printer issues depending on what you're going to choose. And I still make everything with 3D printers because it allows me to make all kinds of things and keep the price low and then make any changes as needed. So say we needed to add a tweak, say we didn't like this, for instance, we could change it right away and ship out orders right away. Or like for this, which is our honeycomb tree for advent calendars, it'll end up looking like this. I was actually able to increase the size just a little bit and reprint it and change all the files so that I have them all this size. And that was like that. Well, it wasn't like that, but it was pretty quick. Sometimes we do have broken down printers. And there's printers that I just don't like, and they broke down. And sometimes I just like to shut myself in here with the filament, close my eyes. But overall, I think we do pretty well. I don't spend too much time anymore with maintenance, which is great. Maintenance, like fixing things. So that's really good. And with such capacity, meaning that many printers, I can churn out some orders pretty dang quick. And then at night, at the same time, I can print cool things like this is going to be Batman's head, and this is going to be his base. And I can work on different things that I want to make, with something a little bit different. So yeah, all of our stuff is 3D printed. I like it. Hopefully you like it. And let me know if there's something else you want to see.